Step into a world where spaces flow seamlessly, where living, dining, and cooking blend into one harmonious experience. Welcome to the art of open concept living with Black accents, where modern design meets timeless elegance. I'm your guide from Visionary Designs, and today we're exploring how touches of Black can transform your open space into a haven of sophistication and tranquility. If you're ready to elevate your open concept home and find inspiration in design, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest in interior design innovation. Imagine an expansive space where boundaries blur and light dances freely. This is the essence of open concept living enhanced by Black accents, a contemporary approach that brings both unity and distinction to your home. Let's begin our journey in the heart of this open space, the living area. Picture a pristine white wall adorned with a large, abstract black and white artwork. Its sweeping lines draw the eye, creating a focal point that anchors the entire space. Below, a plush sectional in deep charcoal invites relaxation, its rich tones grounding the area while maintaining visual flow. As your gaze travels, notice how Black accents guide you through the space. A sleek black coffee table centers the living area, its reflective surface mirroring the room's luminosity. Black picture frames on floating shelves create rhythm and continuity along the walls. Seamlessly transitioning to the dining area, envision a long black dining table, its surface a canvas reflecting soft light from pendant lamps suspended above. This striking piece bridges the gap between living and kitchen spaces, turning every meal into a connected experience. Surrounding the table, imagine chairs with slender black metal frames and neutral upholstery, their open design maintaining the sense of spaciousness. In the kitchen area, visualize smooth black countertops extending from light cabinetry, creating a natural border without disrupting the open flow. A large island with a black base and a light top stands as both a functional workspace and a stylish gathering spot, perfect for casual meals or entertaining guests. Throughout this open concept space, carefully chosen black elements serve as visual anchors, allowing the eye to rest and the mind to calm. A tall bookshelf with black frame and light shelves subtly defines areas without closing them off. Matte black light fixtures overhead unify the entire space, their clean lines complementing the modern aesthetic. Remember, in open concept living, the key is balance. Black accents should guide the eye and define areas without overwhelming the sense of openness. They create moments of contrast that intrigue without disturbing the peaceful flow. To enhance the open concept further, consider incorporating different textures in your black accents. A sleek black glass backsplash in the kitchen, smooth black metal bar stools at the island, or a soft black area rug in the living space. Each brings unique character while maintaining cohesion. And don't forget the power of nature in tying your open space together. A large potted plant with deep green leaves can serve as a natural focal point, or a row of herbs in black planters on the kitchen counter can introduce an organic element, connecting all areas of your open concept home. As we conclude our journey through this serene, open concept space, take a moment to envision how black accents might bring sophisticated calm to your own home. Remember, in open concept design, it's not just about how each area looks, but how they work together to create a harmonious whole. At Visionary Designs, we believe in creating spaces that nurture the soul and inspire the mind. We hope this exploration of open concept living with black accents has sparked your imagination and brought you a moment of tranquility. If you found this video inspiring, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share in the comments how you might incorporate these ideas into your own open concept space. Until next time, may your home be your haven of connected living and timeless style.